Welcome to my channel. We will discuss how to calculate usual time in a speed, time and distance question. Traveling at 4/5 of his usual speed, a man is late by 15 minutes. What is the usual time taken to cover the same distance? When the distance is same, if your speed is more, you will take less time. If your speed is less, you will take more time. So speed and time are inversely related. Here he is traveling at 4/5 of the usual speed means the time he takes will be inverse, that is 5/4 of the usual time. 5/4 of usual time is how much extra? Numerator minus denominator 1 by 4, 1/4 of the usual time extra. He is late by 15 minutes means he is taking 15 minutes more time. So 1/4 of usual time is 15. Usual time is 15 into 4, 60 minutes. So our answer is 60 minutes. We will discuss how to calculate distance traveled. Walking at 4 km per hour, a man reaches office 10 minutes late. If he walks at 6 km per hour, he reaches 5 minutes early. Find the distance traveled. The shortcut is distance equals to S1 into S2 by S2 minus S1 into difference in the time. Here the two speeds are 4 and 6. So 4 into 6 by 6 minus 4 into difference in the time. First case it is 10 minutes late. Second case it is 5 minutes early means the difference is 15 minutes. Let me explain with an example. Suppose if the right time is 9 a.m. First time is 10 minutes late means he reaches at 9:10. Second time is 5 minutes early means he reaches 5 minutes before, that is 8:55. So the difference is 15 minutes or not? Yes. And speed is in kilometers per hour means we have to convert this minutes into hours. So divide it by 60. 15 ones, 15 fours, 4 gets cancelled. 6 by 6 minus 4 2, 6 by 2 3 kilometers. In this session, we will discuss a shortcut to calculate average speed when distances are equal. A person traveled from his house to office at 40 km per hour and returned at 60 km per hour. Find the average speed. See, he has traveled from house to office and then returned. So that means while going and coming back, he traveled same distance. When a person travels two equal distances at different speeds, the average speed equals to 2 into S1 into S2 by S1 plus S2. 2 into 40 into 60 by 40 plus 60. This is 2 into 40 into 60 by 40 plus 60, 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 48 kilometers per hour is our answer. In this session, we will discuss average speed when distances are in the ratio m is to n. A person traveled 2/5 of a distance at 40 kilometers per hour and the remaining distance at 50 kilometers per hour. Find the average speed. And the shortcut is when the ratio of distance is m is to n, the average speed is m plus n into s1 into s2 by ms2 plus ns1. Here the ratio of the distances means first case it is 2/5 distance and then remaining distance means 3/5. So 2 by 5 is to 3 by 5 is nothing but 2 is to 3. The ratio of distance is 2 is to 3. Speeds are 40 and 50. If I apply the formula m plus n 2 plus 3 5 into 40 into 50 by 2 into 50 ms2 plus 3 into 40. If you simplify this, 5 into 40 into 50 by, it is 220, which you simplify, you'll get 45.45 kilometers per hour.